What's that? What's that? What's that? Tito is very masipag. What's that? It's not bone, it's bonnet. Anong tawag dito? Kicks?
Bonnet.
Beanie.
It's bonnet.
Bonnet. Or
Beanie.
beanie.
Bonnet.
Why you don't like beanie? Come on, say beanie.
Beanie.
Can I see your face? Kiss. Can I kiss my baby? Huh? Can I kiss my baby? Can I kiss my baby? Do you hear mommy? Huh? Do you hear mommy ba? Kiss na lang. Kiss na lang. Are you sleepy na ba? Hmm? Are you sleepy na? Hmm? Look at Tito. We're not helping Tito to fix the bed. Because Tito is the one who's breaking the bed most. He's the most strongest in the bed. On top of the bed. Hi, Mom. Kiss na lang. Kiss, Mommy. And next is Artus. The most naughtiest. Sleeping in the bed. But the top one is Tito. Ready na? Ready na uli? Lumaban?
Magwasakan.
Pwede na uli magwasakan ng buhay. Ready na uli maglabanan?
Ha?
Ready na uli maglabanan dyan?
Pwede na ulit ng kamblingan.
Pwede na uli manira ng bed. Ang itsura niya. At ganyan yung itsura mo.
Grabe kasi. Ang laki kasi ng
No?
kama.
Pwede na pa manira uli ng bed.
Hmm?
Pwede na uli manira.
Sarayin niyo ulit natin.
That's it?
Yes, eh? Itong pa. Oo, ako din eh.
Tuyuan ng pawis. Let's shower first.
Ooh, I like that.
Let's go out and eat. We're delivered. We're showered together. You want to shower together?
Yeah.
Why?
Hmm?
Why? Tipid sa tubig?
Because, yes, and I see many things. I see beautiful things. That not everybody can see.
Seryoso ka ba?
Bakit? Seryoso ka ba? Oo. Seryoso yun.
Hindi ka ba tatahimik yan?
May chinelas na.
Ba't galit ka?
Ha?
Ba't galit ka?
Hindi ako galit. Asan yung grade?
Anong brief mo? Saan napunta?
Uy, lagi wala akong brief.